You ready?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Let's do it.
Big up Mikey Joe on the beat as well. Smashing it at the minute.
Mikey Joe.
Check.
This.
Motto State inside.
State of Mind Volume 1 coming out soon.
Nothing we're announcing that. Yeah, though the date out. Yes, big up Emeralds, big up Pie Radio for having us each and every time. Appreciate it. Yeah. If I knew then what I know now, I'd tell me younger self, look around, slow down. Tracky in me headphones, I'd head home from town, head stoned in the clouds, retro with the sound that I'd listened to. Seen a lot and lived it too, believed in God I wished it to. Relieve me of this feeling I'm concealing when I'm feeling blue. Then I clocked you on your own and everything will come and go. So take time, be at peace, most of all be in your zone. Trying to
turn a penny to a pound. If you're talking hard work, we're as hard as any out.
Talking bars first, give a F about the clouds.
I'm the type to rob your gaff and wake you up to see me out.
I might have to wake them up cause they've been sleeping, doing stuff that wasn't deep, that I was deep and hopped on beats, invented heat like central heating. What's the reason you've been bleeding? Got no deep and then indecent. Left my ends, it's an achievement. They ain't seen that we've been bleeding. Lil' you, scruff shoes, seeing red, white and blue. Fascinated while some death is celebrated on it. There's a demon in this hall, it's more mentality to loot. They thought you knew the ropes and then they put you in the noose. See, I might be on the news or in the booth or on a tune or in the news. Either way, yeah, I'm the truth, you better recognize. See a lot of jealous eyes, that stress makes pressure, so you know my mind petrified. Yeah, I came from a cesspit, I'm incentivized. Clothes getting red tonight, differences ain't set aside. Usually a setting nights, probably cause our hobby ain't a hobby at the best of times. Yeah, regrets are mine, snakes I never recognize. Regrets might get the best of me like envy or the jealousy. Forgive me, I was young and broke and didn't know the remedy. And when I start to mix the potions, get some mixed emotions over different homes and different clothing, mixed up bag of memories. Life comes at you fast, and regardless of COVID, everybody still wears a mask. I tell me younger self, stay on track. Don't be flash, get the cash, do the dash, make your way off rap. You see, them pitfalls are just intervals, what I taught me. That fool no friend, just a fool that thought he could fool me. And I got me friends, I can't say that the stuff is all me. If I got stuff to get off me chest, I'd probably call T. This what would bore me, it turned me poorly. Ain't no one know when I'm alone, yeah, they can't ignore me. You see, we had a different story before for me. When mum moved us, I was angry, but she did it for me. I'm trying to be more, ain't never been less. Been there before, trying to be my guest. That road get long, which where I'm from ain't one on none. You nothing but stress, you chatting a song with shit on my chest. Don't know the law, we both finesse. Not here in war, and I'm in a jaw. You last saying no, your back is a mess. Feel like the older me's proud of me, younger me astounded by places I've been and the people I've found and the things that I've seen and the things I'm around. And when the scenery gets cloudy, I get goosebumps. Hopefully, that's just what this tune does. Yo. Hey, come on. Goosebumps. Hopefully, that's just what this tune does. Yeah. Motto Estate inside.
Jeez, that was sick. That was sick. Your flow and your bars are mad. Your flow's mad. Your bars are mad. How do you like write your bars? Like what? Is it just a natural thing?
I love how Degie,
yeah, we went just off the back of each other. Degie's way of writing always inspires me though. He's like, he'll just sit playing keepy uppies or something in the garden, writing in his head, and then it'll just come through with a mad verse. Me, it's a bit of freestyling, a bit of writing, and just see what feels best.
Yeah, I hear that.